Mokhim LP School Ahem kaheno thek ajok Thanbang ahin pen kerap kachohang. Lakha krisir kep Amreng constituency ke parlo Socheng education block ke parlo jirikindeng pen kilometer kep an kahilo Mokhim LP School Ahem kaheno thek ajok assistant headmaster la pen lothan rapet Thanbang atum CM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council la pen education EM atum aphan prabjin pen school ahem nang pibek thapu kachuning ripon. Thanbang ahin pen nang pachini duna tengke labang so school la ke non head pen school kali lo kedam tang parokre sirkebra trokebra hini aningkan pen anno laso ahem ban pik lo apotsi akimi ahem nang pibek tha athe labang so school along charlie sumarta do pik bang troksikep ando lapen classroom kabe apot sumara tum aduk bo pik lo pusi beta nang pachini dun
एग्जाम लो मापिनी के एग्जाम लो क्लास आनो नंग तुम के क्लास 1 दी
First of all, I would like to thank our reporter, local reporter, Samsing ET, for visiting our school today, Mokhim LP school. Thank you, sir, for coming to us. And if you have any questions from your side, you may ask. I am here working.
So what about this building?
Regarding this building, last year our DMC also have visited. DMC and ADPU have visited. During their visit, I have already spoken about this building. This building actually it is since 1962, so it became very old. And due to that, all the windows and the doors are also broken, and it is very difficult for the students, especially during the windy time and during the rainy season. The rainwater and the cold wind enter inside the class, so it become a lot of difficulty here. And during their visit, I have requested them to provide from the departmental side replacement of this building. They have proposed me for the major repairing, and if not the minor repairing, the major repairing, two options they have given to me, and I have rejected that because according to what you also have seen, the condition, it is not good for the major or repairing option. So the building has to be replaced. The newly we have to get the building. That is our expectation. My headmaster today, though he is not here, but the same words he has said to me. So right now we are working 3 teachers here, headmaster Mr. Rajendra Terang, and I assistant headmaster or the CRCC of Mokhim cluster, and also Binod Kumar Sharma, assistant teacher.
How many enrollment?
Yeah, right now our present enrollment is 77, and daily the attendance is fluctuating between 60 to 55%. That is daily here. So any other questions?
सबके धन्यवाद जनाइছোঁ আপোনালোক আহিছে ভাল লাগিছে আমাৰ স্কুলৰ কন্ডিশনটো দেখুৱাইছে তো আমাৰ কন্ডিশন স্কুল অলপ আমি দিছোঁ মেমৰিডম আমাৰ ডিএমসি ছাৰো একদিনাখন আহিছিলে তেওঁ স্কুলৰ কন্ডিশনটো চাইছে আৰু গোটেইখিনি চাই পেলাই তেওঁ কৈছে যে লিখি পেলাই লৈ গৈছে যে বনাম বুলি কৈছে আমালোকক তো আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ স্কুলৰ কন্ডিশনটো ভাল হৈ যাব আৰু ইমানে আৰু কি আৰু খুদিলে কিবা খুদক ছাৰ আপোনালোকৰ
এনৰোলমেন্ট মতে তো ইয়াতে 60-70 আছে আৰু সপ্তাহত কিমান দিয়ে মিড ডে মিলটো সপ্তাহত এটো মাজত সময়ত চাউলটো শেষ হৈ গৈছে চাউল নাছিলে 2-3 মাহটো দিয়া নাছিলোঁ কিন্তু এতিয়াতো আমি সপ্তাহত যেতিয়া স্কুল লাগে আজিতো মানে হেৰি না কিন্তু সপ্তাহ 2-3 দিন মান আমি দি থাকোঁ যেনেকা মানে চাউলৰ কোৱান্টিটি হিচাপে আমি ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউশন কৰি থাকোঁ